Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 12X, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Google application. After that, click on the right down corner to the more icon and then click here to the settings. After that, tap to the Google Assistant section and scroll down to the general options here. Just to activate a Google Assistant, you should click here once on the switcher and then confirm your actions by click here to turn on again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.